Okay, so today I'm going to show y'all how to make a extended nail form. I received these nail forms in a Mia Secret kit that I had purchased, and I do like them. I just can't, they're not long enough, basically. They're not long enough. So I was thinking on how I can make them longer, and this is what I came up with. Because nail forms are relatively cheap, I was going to just purchase like the XXL longer nail forms or whatever. But I was thinking, like, I have nail forms. I could probably just make a longer nail form myself. And that's exactly what I did. So as you saw just before, I set it up just like you would set up a regular nail form. And then I just put the two together. I line it up. There's grid lines. I just line up the grid lines, and I put the extra little sticky tab on the back for that still extra like security, or I think that's supposed to like just create like a stronger foundation in the apex area. So I still do that on both nail forms, and I just stick them together. I really love sculpted nails. Especially sculpted stiletto nails. I'm really enjoying sculpted nails. I think they're so beautiful. It's an easier application in my opinion, because you just stick the form on and like you just keep going. So I really do like sculpted nails. And really, there you have it. It's still structured like a regular XXL nail form, as if I purchased it this way. And I'll be showing you guys what I did again, just in case you missed any steps the first time. So again, there it is. Let me know if you guys try it, what you guys think. Oh, and thanks for watching. I hope that God blesses you in the same way that He blesses me.